All right, so today's like any other day, but the exception is I got a day off. So with that exception, I get to actually work around stuff around the house. So today I'm gonna fix the hinges on this, replace that, put a new lock on there, and then fix it back together. Once it's fixed, I'm gonna put all my tools away and I'm gonna start working with the wheelbarrow, and I'm just gonna stack rocks. I'm gonna stack rocks until basically the sun goes down. I'm going to continue doing this, raking, stacking, and then just kind of pushing everything back together. I got a ton of stuff that I got to dig up. I'm going to start digging that up as well. And then just continue on with that. I take my wheelbarrow, I stack up some more rocks, and I'm going to continue doing that. It's getting pretty late, and I still have to mow the grass. So once I get done with a couple of these, or I feel I'm good enough to stop, I'm going to pull out the lawnmower, put it off to the side, make sure I rake up all the leaves, pick up as much of the leaves as I can. I like to actually rake up the leaves because it gives you an opportunity to actually catch large sticks or rocks or things that actually can damage the actual lawnmower blade. Once I pick up everything and I go through and mow the entirety of the lawn, I'm able to actually use most of the extra yard clippings to fill up their bare spots. I do have a couple of bare spots that do need additional grass, and I'm possibly going to seed in the future. There you have it. That's basically what I do every time that I have a day off. I'm either fixing things or working on my lawn.